back to Bryan Holden Studio. My name is Mason Holden, and today we will be looking at a piece that my father created for a children's hospital entitled Up, Up, and Away. Often the most memorable experiences that we encounter in our lives are not actually the ones that we have experienced ourselves. They are the ones that we have dreamed or fantasized about as a child, with hopes and aspirations. This sculpture is a vehicle, a portal or pathway that can help you find those dreams that you may have never reached. It was created to help free your mind and allow you to dream, fantasize, or wonder in your vast imagination. It has a magical way to take you from where you are to where you want to be. If you close your eyes and dream you are climbing it, maybe it will take you to a new world, to a different place in time, or perhaps, if you believe, to heaven. Stand back, look up into the sky, and wonder what you can achieve if you believe that you can. Then close your eyes and let your dreams take you up, up, and away. Thank you all so much for watching Bryan Holden Studio. Hope you all have a great day. God bless. Goodbye. Bryan Holden Studio is supported by viewers like you. If you like these videos, please consider supporting us on patreon.com/BryanHoldenStudio.